Hello lavender fans! Today we're going to be making lavender tea. This is part of the Labyrinth Hill series on using lavender. First of all, we need to be sure that you're using culinary lavender. Culinary lavender is any lavender that is grown organically. It does not have to be certified organic, but you do need to make sure it's not been treated with any chemicals at all. Also, a variety chosen usually is Lavandula angustifolia with names like Hidcote, Royal Velvet, Munstead. You would also know it as English lavender. Today we're using Lavandula angustifolia Royal Velvet. You will also need a curling iron that's used to seal the press and brew tea bags. Place 2 teaspoons of dried lavender in the tea bag and then proceed to seal it using the curling iron. It should take only 20 to 30 seconds. So now that you have your tea bags, heat your water to boiling. Place the tea bag in a small teapot that holds about 8 ounces of water. Steep the tea anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, depending on how strong you want it. Lavender tea can be an acquired taste, so I recommend you start with a shorter steeping time. Pour and enjoy. While you're enjoying your first cup, steep another one with the same bag and let it brew just a bit longer to get all the goodness from the lavender.